In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get bank feeds in Xero. By the end, you'll have your bank connected so transactions flow into Xero automatically, saving you time on reconciliation and reporting. Start by signing into Xero and opening the correct organization. Make sure you have the right permissions. You'll need access to manage bank accounts in this org. From the Xero dashboard, head to the main menu and choose Accounting. In that menu, select Bank Accounts. This is your hub for everything related to cash, credit cards, and payment services. You'll see any existing accounts listed here, along with their balances and connection status. To connect a new feed, click Add Bank Account. Xero will prompt you to search for your bank. Type the bank's name exactly as it appears on your online banking and choose the matching option from the list. If you see multiple versions, pick the one that matches your country or the specific connection type offered by your bank. Xero will guide you through a setup flow. You may be asked to confirm basic details like the account name you want to see inside Xero and the account type, such as checking, savings, or credit card. When prompted, continue to your bank's secure sign-in page. Enter your online banking credentials directly with the bank and complete any multi-factor authentication your bank requires. Xero never stores your banking password. Authorization happens on your bank's side. If your bank offers it, select which specific accounts you want to connect, then confirm. You may also be asked how far back you'd like to import transactions. Choose a sensible start date to avoid duplicates if you've previously uploaded statements. Keep in mind that many banks limit the initial import window, often to around 90 days. Once you've completed the confirmation, you'll return to the bank account screen in Xero. You should now see your new account listed with a connected status. The first import can take a moment. If you don't see transactions right away, give it a few minutes and refresh. When the feed is active, new transactions will flow in automatically, typically daily depending on your bank. From here, you can open the account and go to the Reconcile tab to start matching incoming lines to invoices, bills, or spend and receive money transactions. If something doesn't connect, double check that you authorize the correct account at the bank, verify your user permissions in Xero, and ensure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups during authorization. And that's it. Your bank feed is now set up and ready to keep your books up to date.